cubic function. Alright. Out of this, what can we get? That's right. First of all, this one has no x. That's why if we plug 0 for x, y gonna be 1. That's what we call y-intercept. Alright. So y-intercept looks like this one. Okay, x is 0, then y going to be 1. That's it. Okay, that means this one go through 1 on y-axis. Okay, next one. Okay, next one, as soon as you see this one, that's x to the third power. That means, this one looks like this kind of graph. Okay, so that means, wait a minute, this is the positive, see, front of positive, x to the third power. That's why the right hand side looks like a positive right here. If this one is a negative, see, negative, then probably this is going to be like this. Alright, see, that's negative. Alright, so now, as soon as you see this one, okay, this one is not factorable. That's why x-intercepts, okay, so x-intercepts must be complicated fractional answer. So, that means, that's right, so we're going to do, okay, derivative. Alright, differentiation, okay, which is 3x squared minus 3. This we put this one 0. This one tells us that, okay, where we have what? The vertex. This one tells. Okay, let's get those. Alright. Wow, looks good. Alright. Y-intercept. Like I said, that's the 1, right? 1 y here. Okay. Also, this one is y. Okay, this one is x in x-axis. Now, I did first derivative right there, differentiation. Alright. So now, we put this value equals 0. Okay. What's the equal 0 means? That's right. That tells us where that vertex is. Okay. Then we can solve this one, right? Okay. So first of all, actually 3 right here. Okay, 3. Okay. So 3 goes outside. Then x. Okay, we can factor this one. Alright. Equals 0. Okay. X plus 1 minus 1. That's why x going to be 1 and negative 1. There we have vertex. Just like that. At 1, this is 1. Then we're going to find out y later. Okay. What about negative 1? See? Negative 1. Oh, yes. Alright. So we have negative 1. Then we have another vertex. Alright. Now, we plug 1 first. Okay. Right here. Okay. 1 and 1. That means, 1 plus 1. Then, negative 3. So, negative 1. Alright. Right there. Okay. What about negative 1? See? Okay. Negative 1. Okay. Negative 1 times negative 1 times negative 1 is negative 1. Alright. Negative 1. Okay. Negative 1 times negative 3 is a positive 3. Okay. 3 and 1, 4 minus 1. Okay. 3. Alright there. Alright. So, we have 2 vertices. Alright. Alright, now we can do one more time. Okay, differentiation. Alright, we call second derivative. Alright, so which is, okay, 2 times 3 is a 6. Okay, 6x. Okay, that's constant number. That's going to be 0 anyway. Okay, now, what if this is going to be 0? That means x is 0. At x equals 0, so we're going to have what? Alright, second derivative tells us where inflection is. Inflection. Alright. Inflection means, okay, like look at this two curves right here. See? One curve looks like this, another curve looks like this. Okay, then one curve looks like that. Okay, we call concave down. Okay, so this one, so we call concave concave down. Okay, concave down means like a second derivative should be negative. Alright. What about this one? So this shape right here we call concave up, which is positive. So wait a minute. What about 0? Oh, that's a meeting point. At x is 0, so that means right here. Oh, this one right here is inflection. See? That's inflection. Now, what about the positive? See? Okay, that means we plug, let's say, 1. Okay, 1 right here. Okay, we plug 1 right there. 1 times 6 is a positive 6. Positive 6 means the positive. That means concave up because the positive. See? Now, what about negative 1? We plug, instead of this one, okay, we plug negative 1. That means negative 6. Okay, negative 6. That means the second derivative is negative 6. That means negative, so concave down. Okay, so look at that. It's beautiful. Look at that. See? That's inflection, concave down, concave up. Wow. That means this is the original right here. Okay, now we have first derivative, second derivative. First derivative tells us where that vertex or what kind of a slope we're going to have. Okay, so this one tells us the slope. Alright. What about the second derivative? Tells us concave up, concave down. Additionally, that tells us where inflection is. Inflection. Alright. Inflection is right there. Alright. Look at this beautiful masterpiece. Alright. So look at this. This red one right here. Okay, which is the original graph, right? Which is y equals x to the third power minus 3x plus 1. Oh, that's the first one. This is x, this is y, right? Okay. Now, what about the first derivative? Which is the blue one right there. Okay, this blue one right there. Okay, is y apostrophe right there. Okay, 3x squared minus 3. Oh, now green one. Okay, second derivative, right? Okay, so which is this one right there. Okay, which is second derivative is 6x. Wow. The first one is the original graph. This one talking about the slope. What about this one? Talking about inflection and concave up and down. All right.